Help Mama with the dishes. Good girl.
Thank you, my love.
Good girl.
Oh, thank you.
Good girl. You help your Mama.
Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Oh, good catch. Lauren, you helping Mama? Oh, two.
Hey, thank you. No, just give me that one for right now, baby. Thank you.
Good girl.
You want to come over here and get it? Come around over here. Just, okay. Thank you, baby. Oh, thank you. Okay, now come around. Over here. Over here to this side. To this side. This way, look. Come on. Look, right here. There you go. There you go. Now we got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just one at a time. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, very good. Now, what do we do?
You gotta close it.
Now.
Do you close it? Good girl.
Excellent work.
Yay. Good girl.
job.
Lauren, do it like this. Do it, Mama. Do it, Mama. Do it. Do it, Mama. Lauren, like this. Do your feet like this. Whoa. Whoa.
Where's the cow? Where's the cow?
Say hi.
Where's the cow going? Moo. Moo.
Lauren, where's your nose? Where's your nose? Whoa. Lauren. Lauren. Say bye.